Hi friends, it's Ron from Tigertown here, from my hometown, the Hammer, Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great. Apparently you did a search for what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Here we go. An affiliate program is like a lottery ticket, except you don't buy the lottery tickets, you earn each one through your referrals. Some people who join won't do anything themselves, and they won't invite anyone, so those tickets don't win. Some people will use the program, but won't invite others or make purchases. Those tickets will bring you small awards from ad revenue. Now, this is a bit tedious, folks, but it just lays it out so well. I want to go through this. And I have a bonus for you at the end, if you stick around. Some people will use the program daily, make purchases, and invite people, and these referrals will have larger rewards for you. Some people will use the program daily, make purchases, and invite lots of people. These will have even bigger rewards for you. These are referrals that you've found by marketing. Some people will use the program daily, make purchases, invite a lot of people who use the program daily and make purchases. These referrals that you find will have the biggest awards. Now, I guess you can say if you get more lottery tickets, you may increase your chances of winning. The same applies with affiliate programs. The more personal affiliate referrals you acquire, the better chances are of winning the grand prize. You know, these, your level in the beginning of the people you refer, and then it goes down in the chain about probably 5 or so links of people that you get benefits from if they join. You don't know what your referrals will do, but you know that having more referrals increases your chance that one of them will get you the grand prize. Affiliate programs provide you with a real opportunity to earn 5, 6, or 7 figures a month in revenue. I'm in an affiliate program which will have 1 million grand prize winners who will share in up to 50% of this company's revenue. This is going to keep on developing throughout the time when they're testing the site, and you can get in now. If you are interested at all, in the description under this video, the YouTube video, you'll find a URL that'll take you to get some details on what I'm talking about here. So thanks for sticking around. And when you're underneath that description, how about just giving me hit the submit button and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.